Hey guys, here's the second Hampton Bay Pearl that I have. I picked this one up off of OfferUp. This one's a little bit newer. This one's from June of 1999. So it's exactly 2 years older than the one that is my childhood one. Not really much else to say about it. It's a little bit different. The screw holes are different, and they're painted. I guess Hampton Bay decided to make their fans a little bit more cosmetically appealing. So yeah, not much else to say about it. Here's the light. That's not the light. There's the light. Works just fine. And there's low. Performs the same as the other one that I have. And one of the blades was really bent when I got it. The lady shoved it in the back of her minivan when I met her at the spot. So one of the blades was really screwed up, but I got it pretty much back to normal though. It also came flush mounted, but it was missing the mounting bracket, so I decided to put it on a down rod for testing purposes. Low speed, here's medium. Show with the light. And here's high. See one of the blades, a little bit bent. You know, a little bit droopy too, but that'll be okay. It's in decent shape. One of the blades is also kind of chipped, so I just flipped it over. You can see the outline. Tags are all up there. Big old tags right there. I'll go to the other side and show you that. So this is when they started putting the dates on the UL tags. But anyways, that's about it. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video.